Hello, my name is Sam and welcome to BrainTech. In this video, I will show you how to go live on TikTok without 1,000 followers. To start, open your TikTok application in your mobile device. Once you are here, click on the plus sign. Then in here, click on Story. Now take a screenshot. In here, go to your profile on the bottom right. Then the next step is to click on the 3 horizontal lines on the upper right. Once you click on the 3 horizontal lines, a pop-up will appear. Now click on Settings and Privacy. This one over here. Over at Settings and Privacy, this time you will scroll down and then click on Report a Problem, the one with the flag icon. Once you're here, you will scroll down and then look for Submit a Report, this one over here. Now the next step is to click on the image icon. In here, you're going to be attaching our latest screenshot of our story or create button. Make sure you add this to your submission of Report a Problem. Now the next step is to input your problem over here with your TikTok application. In this case, you can go ahead and type your very own, or you could wait for me to finish typing and then you could copy what I'm writing here on my screen. Once done, tap on the Submit button. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.